We had a CFI called. I don't mind taking names. There were abuses in the school.
How is the instructor qualities? How often do you fly? How much are the charging as of now?
Kinex also is offering job guarantees.
Job guarantees as in? Thanks a lot for joining. And the concept of this interview is very simple. I'll be asking you a few questions and I want you to answer them very honestly. All right. Firstly, tell me what flying school are you from?
Skynex Aero.
Okay. And how long it has been since you joined there?
It's been exactly 15 months.
Exactly 15 months. And how many hours are you on?
I am done with 90 hours.
90 hours. Okay. And how often do you fly?
In the starting when I joined, the flying was really slow because when I joined, we had only 4 aircrafts,
Mm-hmm.
and at that time there were too many students as well.
Okay.
So the flying rate was like pathetic. I could say in the starting, I'm talking about 24 early, like first quarter. And we used to fly hardly 2 flights a month or sometimes 1 flight a month.
Wow.
Not after, let's say, last year, monsoon, post monsoon, the school had a drastic change. Like it just boomed out of nowhere. Currently, we have 19 single engine aircrafts,
Mm-hmm.
and from 4 till where we are right now. And now it's like we get to fly at least 4 times a week, 5 times a week.
And how much are the charging as of now?
Right now, the current fee structure, as of now, what I heard from the latest batch that came in is 60 lakhs.
60 lakhs. And does this
Yes.
include accommodation?
I don't think so because I do not avail the accommodation facility that DC would provide. The accommodation, to be very honest, is bad.
Mm-hmm.
I believe it's good only for students who are coming in for aircraft endorsements or only multi or only conversion students who are here for a tenure of a month or two. It's good because the stay is quite expensive, is what I've heard. I'm not sure about the rates of the hostel that they provide. They do have a building in the city, but it's not that great.
Okay.
Yeah, no, usually it's like majority of the students, like let's say at least 80% of the students stay out.
Acha. And is it a controlled aerodrome?
Yes, it is a controlled air room. That's one drawback that we have in Skynex.
So it might happen you guys like have to wait.
The thing is now we don't have the issue of waiting. There's no issue of waiting. So we have been given certain amount of movements per day.
Acha.
And it's a controlled aerodrome at times and off at the other times. So we have an airline called Fly 91 that comes into Jalgaon.
हाँ.
तो वो ऑपरेट करता है फ्रॉम गोवा पुणे हैदराबाद and all the local areas in and around. And usually from the afternoon around 1 o'clock till the evening till 3 or 4. And then again at night from 7 to 9, the tower is on. The AI people will be there.
Mm-hmm.
So once the AI is in, we have, I'm not sure of how many moments we have, but we have certain amount of moments that's limited. So once we consume those moments, and if the tower is on, we are not allowed to fly anymore.
Mm-hmm.
We have to wait for the tower to turn off.
हाँ. ठीक है. और if someone wants to join Skynex, what is the process like? And is there any entrance?
When I joined, we don't have any entrance exam. But I heard recently the students who are joining, they have a particular interview or something set up with the Delhi team that they face and then they come in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not really sure about the written exam, but when I came in, I had no process of any interviews, nothing. The first exam that I gave was the orals for SPL.
Acha. Okay. And do they also provide ground classes?
Yeah, they do provide ground classes.
How is it the quality wise?
The navigation and tech gen, I have seen students completing and it's pretty good. I am not sure about regulations and metrology
Okay.
because the navigation instructor is a pilot himself, I believe. Eve Lies, and they hold pretty good knowledge. And our chief ground instructor is the one who teaches technical general also. And she also is really good with the knowledge that she gives out.
Okay. And this is included in the package, right?
This is included in the package of 60 lakhs. Yes, I think because my fee structure was totally different altogether. And I had excluded it out of my package and then I paid the fees. So I think when they say the fee structure, it includes this, the ground schooling.
Okay. And how is the instructor qualities? Do they genuinely teach or they're just logging hours?
See, I'll tell you, there was until a point, we had a CFI called, I don't mind taking names. He was bad.
Okay.
So he was bad in the sense, I'm talking about student instructor healthy relationship.
Ha.
So there were abuses in the school. Students were demoralized because of him.
Mm-hmm.
They did not want to fly with him, few of them. And he used to be very abusive on ground. And he just wanted to do what he wants.
Ha.
So as of now, it's been, I think, a month or more. Skynex has removed him from the CFI. And the new sir has come in. He is a CFI, new joined CFI.
Mm-hmm.
And things have changed. It's much better now. The transparency between instructor and student is so much clearer. The students aren't scared anymore to walk around in the hangar. We had that fear in our mind ki, oh my god, if I walk here, when will I encounter this person and I have to move away? I don't want to. So there was that kind of atmosphere when he used to.
Yeah.
But in terms of flying, even sir had no issues because once he was in the cockpit, he used to make sure everything is out. But only on ground, he used to act like let's say, a bad term for a pirate psychopath. Okay, yeah, he was too obsessive with like very on an extreme level, you can say.
Ha, 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 ha.
But he's out of the picture. Students who were there, like who joined in my stage, suffered him. But now the new students are lucky enough. There is no more as a CFI. We have a good fleet of instructors. As of now, we have one CFI, okay, one deputy CFI,
Mm.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 5 FIs.
Ah.
And there are close to 6 AFIs who are in flying, and another 6 to 7 who are under training, who just finished their pattern and are either waiting for their license to come, who just cleared their orals, or they're going to give orals this attempt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good number. Do you guys also have multi?
Yes, we have one multi-engine, Tecnam P2006 Tango.
Okay. Overall, it seems really good. Do you have any other points to be added on this, or do you have any other questions that you think someone should know before joining Skynex?
Someone should know before joining Skynex. I'm not really sure. I was seeing your video. It was very unique concept that I saw someone doing it. So I'll also put in my inputs for Spantex.
Thanks.
I'm giving you, so I'm giving you reviews like, let's say, maintenance team. We have our own in-house maintenance team. The whole maintenance team is always at base.
Huh.
Any issues with the aircraft, anything that happens, it's rectified within moments. And it's very rare for any of the aircraft to go wrong because I believe Skynex in India was one of the first school to get the Piper Archers.
Hmm.
Our majority fleet is Piper Archer, the looming aircraft.
Huh.
And we have just 2 Cessnas.
Acha.
And we'll be flying only Pipers. It's very rare that someone is shifted to a Cessna to fly. And I believe they've kept that only for conversion students.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from that, you could say Skynex also is offering patter and job guarantees.
Job guarantees as well.
Yeah. As in, like after you finish CPL, you're an in-house student, you can approach them. They have different options to become an instructor. For example, you can pay your whole amount for the parameter, or you can sign a bond with them, and they have different kind of bonds for a year, 2 year, 3 year. Yeah, they can become an AFI, and they're giving a job guarantee for the in-house students.
Acha, that's great, yeah.
And we do have already 3 people who from in-house have already joined.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that is a good thing.
Are your batchmates also at similar number of hours as yours?
If we consider plus or minus 20 hours, yes.
Okay, then that's great.
Because we had some paperish labs or someone having medical issues. So we had to sit and then few went ahead, few stayed. But as of now, the flying pace compared to what mine was at the time I joined, It took me at least close to 6 months to get solo. Students now are getting solo in 1.5 months.
Wow, that's very quick.
If you are given a second choice, as of now, would you still prefer Skynex?
As of now, yes.
Okay. All right. I think we got a pretty good idea about the school, and overall, it seems really good.
The bad points were there. There were the bad points were the ones that I told you.
Yeah.
But well, I could say that I'm one of the students who saw Skynex grow from 4 aircrafts to 19 aircrafts, from pretty bad instructors to amazing instructors.
And this all happened in a very short time, right?
Yeah, this happened in a quick span. Like I had gone for leave for my examination, and when I was back, and everything was changed. Because when I joined, frankly saying, when I joined, when we had until I reached up to 30 hours to 40 hours, me and my batchmates had second thoughts, thinking, let's shift the school, it's too slow. We're not getting the things. I had Chimes in mind at that time, saying I'll shift to Chimes. Because I knew few of my friends who were flying there. I was like, I'll shift there. This is not going to work. So I have paid only one installment. We'll move away after the installment is over. But then all of a sudden, that whole mindset got changed because of everything in and around things changing. Yeah, if you would have asked the same questions, and if I would have applied this form, let's say this year beginning, I would have given you bad reviews. Only bad reviews. So I thought, let's be fair enough. The school actually grew. I saw the school grow in front of me. I was like, fair enough. They should get a chance to get good reviews as well.
Yeah, that's great.
One bad thing I believe you can say for now students is the communication between the students and the management.
Acha.
It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad even now. It was bad even in the day one. No, like they don't respond. Like it's like, there's the management team. There's hardly one or two who sits here, and the whole team is in Delhi. Apart from that, the only flying team is over here.
Okay.
If you see in that perspective,
Hmm.
you don't get that what to say. I'm not getting the word. That flexibility to talk, saying that you guys promised me something, and you guys are not doing it.
Actually,
The first contact is a little hard for someone who's new.
yeah.
Yeah, they right now we have a base in Jalgaon.
Acha.
There's another base that's opening in Mehsana.
Okay.
How many bases are operational as of now?
Operational one.
One, and there are two more opening, right?
Yeah, there are two more opening. The second one, I'm not sure. The first one is confirmed, and the DGC approvals, everything is done. They're just waiting for the TPM to get approved. And that base is going to be in Mehsana, Gujarat.
And now I skipped one question.
How many students are there in total?
After pass out, I think right now we have around 110, 120. That's,
A very good ratio.
yes.
ठीक है. We got a pretty good idea about the school already. ठीक है. Let's wrap this up then. If you want me to continue this series and make more such videos on some other flying school, then you can let me know in the comments which flying school you want me to cover next. And if you yourself are a student of a particular flying school and you want to share some insights about this school, then you can fill a form which is attached in the description, from where we'll set up a quick anonymous call and you can share your thoughts about a particular school there. And guys, do not take this video as a guide to avoid or join any particular flying school. Do your own research because this is based on one student's personal experience at a flying school. So do your own research and then only decide which flying school you want to join or avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.